we were working on 92s, a lot of them, and they had lots of leaks. We're going to demo this and see if
The reason we're thinking this, help us get to, well, first 1,000, and then we want to go to eventually 1 million subscribers. So if you would help out and give us a thumbs up and subscribe, that would be wonderful. I know it's something that is hard to do. You just push subscribe, and then ask for and then hit the bell, and you'll get all the new videos. We're doing a lot of work. We'd like to continue this, so please help us out and subscribe, like, and hit the bell.
Try to section it and roll it over so it becomes straight up and down and it lays against the blower. It's kind of like old Burt Monroe with the only gasket you're going to save out of that is this one.